Hello, this is a Durango 2013 Crew, and I'm here to show you how to change the battery in this vehicle up to about 2016, and also the Jeep. Normally the battery is right inside the hood here, but not so much with this car. The battery is located under the passenger seat. Have you ever heard of such a thing? But anyhow, move the seat forward, not backwards. That way it'll get you inside this compartment. This is the first time I've ever changed the battery in the Durango under a passenger seat. So I'm going to tell you right offhand, it doesn't take that long. It's only about 5 minutes. And I'll show you the video. It just pops up and out. Now I've already pre-released it earlier, but make sure that you pop it up and don't pull it so you don't break those tabs on top. And upon taking it out, you can see the battery is just underneath. So I undo the negative side first. That way we don't have any sparks flying, and it makes everything safe here. With no ground connected, we don't have to worry about an explosion or a fire or whatnot. So that just pops off rather easily, and there's vent here needs to pop down too, and this vent cone comes right off. Now your equipment is you need a 13mm deep socket to get down into that bracket down there. It has 2 bolts in it. Then we got a smaller 10mm to undo those top bolts for the negative and the positive clamps. As you can see, that comes out just like this. It lays in like that. Go right on top. 13mm. Okay. Took me about 4 minutes to unscrew that thing. About another 2 minutes. That's pretty much live video. And just having the right equipment. It's pretty simple actually. And it just comes right out like that. Voila. Battery's lasted pretty good. It's 2013 battery was put in, and it's now October, November of 2019, so I guess we got a good bit of life out of it. Alright, so this battery I got it at Advanced Auto. It's a Autocraft Platinum H7 AGM, 80 amp hour, 850, 1000 cranking amps, which is pretty good. It's $200. So he said it should last 7 years. If I get 7 years out of it, that's 7 more years, probably a lifetime of the car. So should be pretty good. And we got the negative terminal there on the left, minus sign, plus sign, which is pretty simple. Everybody probably knows that, but just don't want to have somebody put it in wrong. So it's going in minus side towards the back. There it is. Back in. If you're unsure, the terminals are marked. There's a, so I'm gonna back out of this light here a little bit. There's a small little slash right there for the minus sign. The light's kind of hot on it. You can pick it up right there. See that little minus sign for negative, which is right here in the back seat, and then the other one, which is usually marked with a red cable, right there would have the plus sign on it. It's kind of hard to see with the camera here, but I can see with my eyes pretty good. but it's marked plus, and it's got the red line on it in case you're concerned. Installed both sides there. This is the first time I've done this. As you can see, it was pretty easy. I'll just put this back on here and we are done.